Hello there, in this tutorial I will show you how to edit and create animations. It's not a workflow that I recommend you if you want to animate something complex, because there are some special animation software where you will get better and easier results. But it's the same logic for sequencer and even timelines. The first thing that we can do is open the skeleton of a character, in my case it's this one, and here in this button, create asset, is where we can create all the assets related to the skeleton. For example, animations, animation sequence, animation blueprint, and even blend space. We have two options, create animation for reference pose and the current pose. The current pose is the one that we have right here. We can even add a preview animation to animate using this pose. For example, if we create something from the reference pose, you just need to modify the pose right here. In my case, I'm just going to create animation from the reference pose. Because it's an asset, you just need to select a folder, hit OK, and it's right here. The logic is very simple. You need to add an additive layer track for each bone that you want to modify. In my case, for example, the spine 0, I just need to add a key. This is going to save the transform of a bone and then hit apply. In this case, my animation doesn't have frames because I just created the animation. I can insert frames before and after, or I can append. If I append, I can select the number of frames that I want to add. Let's say 10. I'm going to delete the layer. And the same, I'm in the frame 0, add a key, apply, and I will move to the frame 5, for example. I'm going to rotate them on, hit key, apply, and this creates a curve that I can modify if I hit double click, so I can adjust the transform at the time of that bone. Just like that, I have this movement. Now the same logic, select another bone, hit key, apply, that creates another additive layer bone, and I'm going to move it to the opposite direction. Hit apply, and now I have this movement. And that's all. It's how you can animate. You can even modify an existing animation, but you can just modify the existing movement. So that's pretty much all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and visit my own Discord.